1 month to go. And if you don't know, a lot of things are going to be changing on YouTube in 25. There's going to be a lot of updates on YouTube. It is not only happening on YouTube, it's also happening on what they call it on Facebook and other social media platforms. That's why I keep telling you that any opportunity that you have, it is best for you to hold that opportunity and don't let that opportunity pass you. Even before December ends 2024, you can also monetize your channel if you don't know. Yes, you can. And if you have not even started up any channel, like you've not even had any channel, this is an opportunity for you to create one for yourself, because trust me, this time around you are going to have the opportunity that in 2025 you might not have. Now, if you are fond of not taking your content creating journey serious in 2024, I bet 2025 might be a bit tougher, okay? Because YouTube is rolling out a lot of things in 2025. A lot of content creators has also been talking about this, but I've not personally talked about some of the things that YouTube are going to be rolling out, and I'll try my best to do that video for you probably before the end of December. But right now, as you're watching this video, if you have not uploaded any video today, if you never upload, why? Go and upload. First, hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do it, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. Even with just this 1 month that is by the corner, you can monetize your YouTube channel. Yes. You understand? Even with this vlogmas that is coming, if you don't know, December 1st, starting from December 1st, which is tomorrow, YouTube is going to be rolling out what is called vlogmas. And that vlogmas simply means a lot of content creators, we have the opportunity to go viral. A lot of content creators, we have the opportunity for their videos to have views. A lot of content, we have the opportunity for their videos to make more money for them. You understand? During this period of vlogmas, YouTube tends to push out more of small content creators, like small channel, below 10K, 9K, 8K, 7K, 6K, and the rest of that. Now, what you need to do for yourself, if you want to stand out there and then monetize before the end of this 2024, is that you need to create content that is bringing value. I will keep preaching value to you. And let me tell you something, guys. If you are not taking your YouTube channel serious in 2024, I bet in 2025 you might even get more frustrated. I see a lot of people on my live stream, the only thing they will tell me is that, oh, Vibe with Sonia, I'm tired of my channel, I'm getting frustrated, I want to quit. What do you advise? And the only thing I will tell them that if you want to quit, go ahead and quit. Because the truth is that you are the greatest motivator to yourself. Even if it's hard for you, even if it's difficult for you, you have to do it. You understand? A lot of content creating app like that, no matter what you should do, try to monetize your channel. If you monetize your channel, you stand more opportunity. You have more opportunity. Once you monetize your channel, you understand. You now know that, okay, even if the thing is not coming in bulk, even if you're not getting so much at all on a winch, you'll be getting something. You understand? You know that, okay, this thing, at least there's something here. You understand what I'm trying to say? Now, if you have not planned what you are supposed to start filming from tomorrow, which is being 1st of December 2024, you are very wrong. It is an opportunity for you now as you're seeing this video, because I will make sure that I upload this video early so that you can see this video and then start planning yourself. What am I going to put out there? You tell yourself that this December you want to go viral. I want to see a lot of people going viral this December. And once you go viral, always do ensure come back and tell me that, oh yeah, I went viral because of your advice. And see, it is not difficult to go viral this December. Let me tell you guys, a lot of people will be sitting in the house. That's one thing you should know. A lot of advertisers will like to place ads on people's channel. And when I mean placing ads, they will even like to increase most of their payments, like how, you know, your RPM and your CPM. And that means if your channel is monetized and you're uploading every day, you're also going to be making out something. I've shared it in one of my videos that when I did Vlogmas last year, it was the highest revenue I had, like the highest revenue that I had, like from January 23 to that December. That was when I knew the importance of vlogmas. Even that time, I remember my videos were really suffering. They were not even getting up to like 200, 300 views. But during that period, when my videos started picking up to like 400, 500, 1,000 views, you understand? And this can also be you. That is, if you want to really utilize this opportunity of vlogmas and tell yourself that, you see, this December, I want to monetize. You understand? It is not too late. A lot of channels monetize in 1 month. So don't even think that, oh, I have 50 subscribers, I have 90 subscribers, I have 100 and something subscribers, and that means I cannot monetize this. You can. All what you need to do is bring the right thing that you know. You understand? When you're bringing the right thing that you know, always ensure that your thumbnail is top notch, your title is dramatic, your description is on top, your keywords is intact, your tag is doing well. You understand? You get? I did not even dress up to come and put out this video because I know that a lot of people might have even forgotten that tomorrow is 1st of December. By now, you are supposed to already have your video. The videos that will go up in the next 7 days, I already have them. So yours should not be different. So the videos that will go up for you in the next 7 days, you should already have them. Now, before that 7 days will elapse, you are going to go ahead and get another video again that is going to elapse again in the next 7 days. Now, if you're fond of watching people's content, you're fond of watching YouTube content without creating a YouTube channel, you are doing a wrong thing. Now, the only thing that is selling for most people now, I can't even lie, especially if you're in the part of this world, you're in the part of this African, they know that a lot of things is getting tighter, is when you're making money in another currency. You make money in another currency, you exchange to your own currency, you know you have something reasonable. Even if at the end of the day, you know that once you just start spending the money, everything will just go like that. But at all, you know that since you're making money for another currency, it's going to go like a long way for you. So if you're watching this video, I want to use the video to encourage you and tell you that you should start up a YouTube channel. And I want to use the video to encourage you to tell you that this is not the right time for you to quit your YouTube journey. No matter how slow your journey is, you learn on the job as every day goes. You learn on the job. 3 years, I was not like this. Even entering this year, I didn't even know I would even get up to 50 subscribers. And this is me ending this year with, by the grace of God, I'm even telling God that before the end of December, at least, make I just, even if na 100K, make I clock, or 60K subscribers. And I know there is nothing hard for God to do. But no matter the growth, you need to be grateful and learn to embrace your growth and then push. Start. You don't need a reason to start up a YouTube channel. You don't need a reason. Don't say, oh, I don't know how to create. I don't even know what to create. What niche am I going into? How do I even start? Go and start something. Don't wait for anybody to advise you. Don't wait for anybody to be there to come and encourage you. A lot of people that you want them to come and encourage you, they will never encourage you. In fact, if you even talk to some of your friends and family, they will even discourage you and tell you that, they don't do social media, you won't go put your life there. But you have to throw all of these things, trash them, and start what you know how to do best. If you want to give your children that best life, if you want to give your family the best life, if you want to give your generation, if you want your generation to be proud of you, if you want to give yourself that pension money, that gratuity money, that alawi, start. Go and upload videos. Plan what you're uploading 1st of December. Tomorrow is 1st. I said it in one of my Facebook page video. MC Mbakara changed my life on Facebook. He changed my life not because he gave me money. I am a motivator. But when it comes to Facebook, I don't even motivate myself on Facebook because I feel like Facebook is hard. But my husband was opportune to attend their company's occasion and they invited MC Bakara. I don't know if you guys know him, but he's a popular person on Facebook. And that guy said something. And he said in that show that, see, the only thing that people don't know is that they don't know that everything they are doing is content. That you should just go ahead and post anything where your hand touch. You must not wait and say, oh, must get this one before. Post anything. And the moment my husband said, this is what MC Bakara said, I was like, yeah. He said, but I did not go. I did not even attend. You understand? But immediately my husband told me, this is what MC Bakara said. He said on Facebook that you should post anything. Post anything at all. Just keep posting back to back. Guys, my Facebook history is changing. You understand? And everything I've learned from him, I'm also trying to put it out in my YouTube and it's still working. Guys, I don't know how many motivation you want me to see to motivate you. I don't know how many times you want me to come and tell you that come and sit here and come and do that one. I don't tell you. December is starting tomorrow. 1st of December is starting tomorrow. Go and look for what you'll be posting. That's why I'm not shouting. I just on my mic so that I cannot shout. Go and post too. Go and post. And if you're finding it difficult, you say, Sonia, I want you to help me personally. Guys, all you need to do is check the comment section. I'm going to be leaving my email address there where you can contact me. And with just chicken money, we can get started with your channel. You understand? And remember, we are doing December to monetize promo, which is ending on the 7th of December, where with just 10,000 naira, you can be able to access me, where I go into your channel personally to see what is working, what is not working, and how we can make it work. And I hope this video is able to help you. If you have not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. With no further ado, like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be safe and I'll see you guys in my next one. Start posting and thank me. For now, bye. I love you guys.